Hello, friend. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome all of you in my Learn and Grow web series. It's episode 4. So, as my commitment and what I told that, and each and every week, I just release a new episode. So, as per my commitment, it's my fourth series. What we learn in this particular series, that means when we face interview in particular J section. So, nowadays it's a trend that we have to face coding interview. So, if we technically skill, but we have to be prepared for coding interview. If we not able to pass this coding interview, then and we not just move to next L2 interview. Oh, that means that is technical round. So we should be prepared for that. So here I basically go through this 10 commonly asked question, and so write a function that return the reverse of a string. So what is the question? Maybe we achieve in many more ways. So, but we should be prepared, and how concisely by using the existing method we can do this is, and by using core concept how we achieve these things. So we should be prepared at least as that we crack the interview. So here my intention, and with Learn and Grow series, we together learn and upskill ourselves. So let's the first question: write a function that return the reverse of a string. So in this question we can see that for the to achieve this we just write a reverse string. You can see on line number 6, if we just write this line by using in the existing ECMA 6 method, or in line number 6 it's commented now. This is the simplest route. If we execute this line, then it is fulfill the requirement, that means reverse of a string. And so what we are doing, just we split the string at first, and again reverse the order, and then again joining. So it's a chain of operation actually. So by using chain of operation we can easily achieve these things. So reverse string, this is the simple route. But by using core concept, you can see the method too, by using a loop, or where we just reverse the string. And after that, if we using the for loop, we start from the end point. That means now how many the character is there, str length, then and just we go to the first position, and in this way just in we just by the concatenating we just reverse the order. So this is the second approach. So you can see this is the input line number 17 example. After reverse you can see output on the last right hand side. And so this is the another second approach. So we should familiar this split, reverse, join, how we write the for each loop. So these are the basic things already we know, but we should be prepared for that, and as that we can easily write code or during the interview. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Write a function that returns the longest word in the sentence. So how we find, so line number 25, 24, this is a sentence with some very long words. So what is the longest word? We can see sentence. So how we achieve this? So to achieve this, we just simply we can do one thing in line number 3. We just write a function, and after that we just split the sentence, and after that we just let that longest word is, suppose it's empty and the max length is 0. After that, by iterating we can easily achieve this. By let I is equal to 0, I less than word length, that means how much word is there. And after that, what we are doing, just we just in constant word we just hold the value. After that we just clean the world by replacing in just we clean the word if anything in some junk character is there, we ignore these things. After that we are assign the new max length and longest word. Initially we just assign some longest word and max length, but here during the loop we biologically we are checking the length, and based on that we longest word we keep, the latest one will hold the longest word and max length. In this way we get the longest word. So we should be familiar. In the right hand side you can see the sentence we are getting. And similarly, write a function that checks whether a given string is a palindrome or not. So palindrome that means we have to check that that a word if left to right or right to left both if same, then we can say that is a palindrome. So for that what we have to check, we just simply in the first question what we are doing, the reverse things we are just at first reverse the string, and after that we are check original string. If both are same, then we say that is a palindrome. This is the simple things. In first already we reverse method we know. Reverse, for reverse we have to split reverse and join. So in this way we can get the palindrome. So you can see answer is right on the right hand side, which is palindrome and palindrome not. So next question, write a function to remove duplicate element from an array. So duplicate element, how we remove duplicate element from an array. So basically in very shortest way is by using set operator. You can see line number 2 I commented using set. This is a ECMAScript feature. By using this easily we in one line code we can achieve this, the remove the duplicate word. And thus in line number 4 you can see that this is also three dot, so extended parameter and new set array. We know that new set is a give a element in the unique element. After that by extended parameter we get this just remove the duplicate element. And method 3, this is the loop. Method 3 using a loop and an object, older browsers. Constant unique array. At first we just initialize one unique array, after that constant scene we already track or not track. So scene it is a object. After that we iterate the entire array by using for loop, and we are checking if it is not seen, then we process. That means in unique array we push the element and also see visibility true. In this way we just keep each and every element and new element. We are just ignoring duplicate element by line number 15. And so in this way you can see in the right hand side we get the result. uh, that means 1 2 2, but yes 2 is duplicate, so it is automatically non-tracking. So we should be remind how to duplicate the array. So set is the shortest approach. Set operator, set is a ECMAScript feature. And next is a write a function that check whether two string are anagrams or not. So anagrams means uh, just simply we are checking that all the character are is the same or not, just simply. So what we are doing, we just at first clean the two word. At first we are checking after cleaning we just what we are checking in line number 7, and that after cleaning both length are same or not. If it is not same, then we not need to apply other rules. So simply we are checking these things in line number 7. And after that what we have to do, we just simply sort the element, and after that join. In this way we just in line number 16 we compare both are same or not. That means all the characters if it is same, then we say that strings are anagram. So you can see the right hand side the answer. So we should familiar with these things. And write a function that return the number of vowels in a string. So vowels, that means a e i o u in line number 5. So I am writing a function count vowels, and and we take a string as the argument, and that at first will lowercase, and then and another variable declare vowel, a e i o. After that, what we are doing, in for each loop we are checking that the particular string, each character, we are checking that includes or not in line number 50. If vowels includes that character, then we are increase the vowels counter, increase the vowel counter, which is initially in line number 18 8, the 0, we just increase the counter. In this way we just easily get how many vowel contains this particular string. So you can see, on the the right side, right, that the output in hello world line number 25, it is 3 vowel. And so when we call the method count vowels, it is written 3. Similarly for string 2 it is 10, and string 3, it is 0. So I think this is also we should know. And write a function that returns the number of vowels in a string. This is the alternate simplest approach. In this case, we just checking match by using match operator. Or we can line number 3. We are checking anything contains a e o u. Then we just get the matches length and it's written the matches length. So it's just two lines simplest code, or by using match operator. We should know that this, if we recall this method, that is also helpful. And write a function that returns the vowel with number of occurrence in a string. So the same question maybe someone ask in different way, like which number of occurrence of each vowel in a particular string. So on that time, the output is like this. So on that time, what we can do, we just slightly change the method. Here we are checking and that just test if it is present in line number 7. We just increase the counter for that particular vowel in for loop. So in this way we get the entire vowel which is present, and number of occurrence, and after that we just create a string with the desired format. So for that, just what we have to do, the the vowel count, that array we have to iterate, and we just as per format we just concatenate this and output this. So we should be practice these things. It is very helpful. Sometimes coding practice is very required, otherwise for small things we can start. Write a function to find the largest number in an array. So how we get the largest number in an array? So for this we just compare. Initially we assume that the largest number is the, let's assume first is the first element of the array is the largest number. After that we compare that with during iteration in line number 15. In if anything is greater than that, then we replace this by that, and we return ultimately. So in this way we get the largest number. So I think it's easier. And write a function to check if a given number is prime or not. So prime number, so we know that prime number, that means that number should be divisible by this only or 1. So 1 and 3, 5, 7, 9 is not prime because 9 is divisible by 3. So 9 is not. After that 11, and after that 13. In this way it will go. So for 1 it's written and false. Check if the number is less than or equal to 1, then it's written false. Number is equal to 2, return true. So is prime, so we just return true. If number is equal to 3, E- so for that 3 modulo 2 it's not 0, so it's false. In this way, if we iterate from the 3 to math square root of number and I plus 2 in this way, then we get the the it is number is prime or not. So you can see 7 when we write 7, and so we just simply see that it's true, but for 9 it's false, as because 9 is divisible by 3. So it will not work. For 9, math square root of 9, that means 3. And when we divide by 3, it's 0 in line number 16. Number that we put is 9, and percentage is equal to 3. So it's written false. So in this way, we just easily get the prime number. And factorial we can get in basically by recursive method. In another method also we can. So we know that any factorial, that means number of is integer n or n less than 0, then return undefined, right? So for n is equal to 0, it's directly return 1, and if it is in greater than 0, that means anything. So we just repeat recursively call this method particularly. So in the this is the recursive method. We should remember this recursive method. And another approach is in this way. Here we just iterate the for loop, and by using for loop we can easily calculate the factorial of 4. You can see in the right hand side it's 24. So this approach also very basic, in without using in recursive method we also calculate the factorial of a number. Function remove white space. So it's we know that by using regular expression we can easily do it in one line. Otherwise, the second approach we can see in line number 5, by using split and join. So in line number 6, state dot split and then join again. So it's remove the space only. But it is less efficient. And so this is also how we remove the white space. So we should uh, remember these things. So for now I will giving few pointers more, which is also a commonly asked interview question. And here you can see few are junior question level question, and few are mid level question, and few are expert level. So write a JavaScript function to check a string is palindrome or not. After that, write a JavaScript function to revise. Already I covered few things, but yeah, there is few new question also. Just try to write a JavaScript function to implement the bubble sort algorithm. So it's commonly asked by question. I just keep this task for you, so you prepare for that, and you can easily enhance your knowledge and crack the interview. Wish you all the best. As for today, I think it's fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.